today I thought I'd make steak. Stuffed steaks. Big beef tenderloin steaks. And brushed one side with olive oil and made a rub that contains instant espresso, fresh rosemary, Szechuan seasoning, and salt. The stuffing consists of baby portobello mushrooms cut in half, and then some fennel, about 1/3 of a cup, and 2 shallots. Also, a little secret ingredient in here, chopped dates. I have 2 little foil packets of golden potatoes with onion, parsley, some balsamic vinegar. Let's get these steaks stuffed. For the sauce, I'm going to add the rest of this small bottle, which is about 1 cup total, of the dry red wine. We're going to put in a splash of brandy and about 2 tablespoons of real butter. Dark. I hope these are done before twilight. Okay, I'm going to let these steaks get a nice char going for anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes per side. We'll just have to check. It's smelling sinfully good. I think they're ready. Let's take a look. Okay, I'll just set this steak right on top of those potatoes. I want you to see how gorgeous this looks. Oh my gosh. Now, I have to think of a name for this. Sun is going down. I've got portobello mushrooms. How about I call it my baby Bella and garlic stuffed Twilight tenderloin steaks? Oh, I think that'll be great. Well, I'm gonna go take a taste test. I'm gonna try not to wolf it down though. Here we go, let's try it. I hope you'll try this. It's simple, doesn't take long to fix, and it's delish. See you next time.
Here.